If you're expecting a Social Security or SSI check on March 1st, 2026, don't panic when it doesn't show up in your account. You're not being skipped, you haven't been cut off. The 2026 calendar has created a scheduling quirk that you need to prepare for right now. The Social Security Administration does not pay benefits on weekends or holidays. Since March 1st falls on a Sunday, the payment is moved to the preceding business day. That means your March payment is actually hitting your account on Friday, February 27th. You will technically receive 2 checks in February and 0 checks in the calendar month of March. This affects SSI recipients, VA disability beneficiaries, and individuals who claimed Social Security before 1997 and are paid on the 1st. When that money hits on Friday the 27th, it can feel like a bonus, but you must make that money last until April 1st. That creates a 33-day gap between checks. As a registered Social Security analyst, I see people run out of cash in the final week of these long months because they didn't account for the extended gap. If a shift of 48 hours in your deposit date causes stress, that's a red flag that your retirement income plan may be too fragile. I help pre-retirees and retirees build income plans that don't break because the month ends on a Sunday. If you want to review your Social Security strategy or Medicare plan, click the link in the description. If you have Medicare questions, text Medicare to 702-605-6038. Check your account this Friday and not Sunday. I'm Sean Matteson. Thanks for watching.